Awesome Fireboy 2002 with Angry Birds Series 1, Episode 2.
Oh no! What are we gonna do now? They got our egg. Wait, no one knows where it is.
Because no one has it yet. It's mysteriously hidden. Oh, we'll find it, don't worry. Wait, Bluebird. I got the egg. Hide in there, green pig. Right now, I'm good. Pretend you're a box trying to protect me. Yes, sir. Ding. This will be such a good trick. Not if you talk. Fine. Now all we gotta do is destroy their base and see if it's under there.
I think I heard him say last time it was somewhere hiding in their base. Oh well.
Yeah, we gotta attack them. Okay. Epic fail, dude. This is how you do it. Oh, you are epic failing. Whoa.
Oh, good job. Only 2 more.
Oh, shaking up. Rebuild it now. This box is indestructible. How can they be defeated? Oh, epic miss. Poe.
How are we supposed to defeat that base when they can rebuild?
Just keep on defeating it.
Okay. Victory knife! Now my turn. I found where the king is hiding.
Poe. Boar. Owie. Ah! God! Run! 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 Run!
Not so fast.
Owie! No, don't worry. Don't worry about them. Just run! 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 Come on, King! Are we gonna hide in a box? No, rebuild a base!
Oh no, we gotta defeat them now before they build a new base. Rebuilding a base for the new pigs. Rebuilding a base for the pigs. Rebuilding a base for the pigs. Rebuilding a base for the pigs. Rebuilding base for the pigs. Oh no, King Pig, don't get near Blackbird. Oh no, King Pig is in the base. Now die, birds, die! Get in spots, everybody. Yep. Watch out, big pig. Don't crush everything like you always do. Hey, where's that minion pig? Oh well, guess he's dead from last episode. Hey, where's Bluebird? Bluebird! Oh no, he's in the pig base. I think I know where to keep the egg. I heard them all talking. In that box, the minion pig is in it.
They figured it out, sir. Don't talk about it. Oh! Oh, you! Oh! I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! Oh!
What a strike! The box! I'll open it! With my teeth. Beak.
Yeah! Oh! The gonna hatch. What about the other 2 eggs? Get the other 2 eggs. The useless eggs have now hatched. Ta-da! Baby angry birds. Baby angry birds. Baby angry birds. What? They're so small. No! Yeah. Don't touch my babies. You're so killing cute. Now they're soft and cuddly. Redbird, 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 Redbird. No, they're just cold and hard now. Just kidding, they're soft and cuddly. Guys, you know I'm right here sitting on my pig pillow. Pig beanbag. Yeah, we don't care because we got the eggs now. So what are you going to do now? I think we have a plasma ball or something. Or you can still attack and steal the birds and stuff. Ow! Oh! Where am I? I don't know. I guess we're going to have to figure it out. Oh, I'm climbing out. God! You hit our camera! Oh, so who cares? You hit my kid. What if I think that you can't play? Oh, well, birds, guess what? What? Oh, why do you kick me out? Because you were going to do something to us and our little babies. Yeah, our little babies. Now I have egg dropping power. Dropped egg! Whoop! Let's try it on the pigs. I wasted all my eggs. Stay tuned to episode 2 for more exciting. Ha-ha! And subscribe, rate, and comment Awesome Fireboy 2002. Later, and check our next episode, Angry Birds Series 1, Episode 3. Yeah!